In a big setback to West Bengal government, Calcutta High Court has refused to recall a state's order directing the National Human Rights Commission to form a panel to examine incidents of post-poll violence in the state. The High Court stated that after hearing the parties, it did not find any case for recalling or staying its June 18 order. Remember, the order in question was passed while the court was hearing a PIL claiming that the state government did not take action against the violence. The PIL also stated that political attacks led to displacement of people from their residences, physical assault, destruction of property and ransacking of offices. The state government had moved the High Court seeking a recall of the order, saying it was passed without giving the state an opportunity to file its response to the PIL. Prema Rajaram is now joining us live. Prema, do you have a copy of the order as to what the Calcutta High Court has observed on this? Because it's a setback that is definitely coming in for Mamata Banerjee, and in case you have some political reactions for us.
So from this only you can understand the very nature of what is going around in the mind of this.
Well, as far as the order copy is concerned, that will take some time to come. But as far as the setback is concerned, it is a big setback for the West Bengal government. However, the petitioners say that there was no need for a recall on the earlier order, and which is why what has happened today is in the best interest of the people, because the court had observed that there are 541 cases pending in front of the National Human Rights Commission, and why are no cases pending before the State Human Rights Commission. So that was one thing that the court had observed, and they found no merit in the fact that this should be recalled, which was put forward by the state government. As far as the BJP is concerned, of course, which is one of the petitioners, they said this is something which is a victory for justice, and in a short while from now we will be speaking to one of the petitioners, Priyanka Tibrewal, who says that this is a victory of justice, and says that what has happened is in the best interest of the people, and the fact that post-poll violence has been taking place in West Bengal. But as far as the ruling party is concerned, the leaders have always maintained there is no post-poll violence, that the TMC is not party to the post-poll violence. These are personal enmities which are being termed as political violence. However, of course, the BJP has said that many of the people who are going forward, saying that they've been displaced from their houses after the elections, and that is a huge setback from them. In a short while from now, we will be speaking to Priyanka Tibrewal. She has, of course, always maintained that it is about the people, and she has fought for the people. And somewhere, even though the probe is still to be constituted by and the committee by the National Human Rights Commission is yet to probe the incidents in West Bengal, it already is something that is working in favor of the people. I will just try and get her in a short while from now. But again, if we can talk about the background here. After the elections, we saw that there were a lot of incidents of post-poll violence. Priyanka Tibrewal, if you can tell us, you are one of the petitioners. What is your reaction to this order by the Calcutta High Court?
See, specifically the court has mentioned the failure of the state government and the police administration. They have also stated that there are no grounds for any kind of recall or modification. That is why the petition has been dismissed. Now what the court has observed today is that there are so many complaints which have gone to the NHRC, to the West Bengal State Legal Services Authorities, but not a single to the State Human Rights Commission, nor have they presented any such complaint before the court. So why is it so? Is the state reluctant? Is the administration reluctant to bring the truth before the court?
Now, there's a long process here. The probe is yet to be done here in West Bengal. Do you see this as a victory already, or is there a long way to go?
See, I see this as a partial victory of justice against injustice, because they were not ready to register complaints. So at least now these complaints which are going before the NHRC, when the report comes to the court will completely understand that whatever I was saying from past so many days, each and every word holds weight.
So this has come to the court. Before coming to the court, what were your thoughts when the people came to you saying that they wanted their voices to be heard?
I am a firm believer of our judicial system in our country, and I believe that justice will be done.
Justice will be done, and a partial victory of sorts. That is what Priyanka Tibrewal says, that this is something that is working in the favor of the people. Of course, she says that why are none of these complaints filed before the State Human Rights Commission, and why only before the National Human Rights Commission?
Yes. Prema, thanks for that political reaction right there. Now we're slipping into a break. When we return, several districts of UP affected by flood. Water levels of rivers rise after rains. More details in just a bit.